Today's topic is that introduction of CRO and introduction of function generator. This is function generator and this is CRO. Okay, you can see there is a wave in the CRO. CRO is a measuring instrument and function generator is a source or generating instrument. That is, we can get sine wave, square wave, triangular wave and different type of wave from the function generator. There is a different type of knob, frequency knob, function knob, modulation knob, often knob, menu knob. Okay, this is the power on knob. This is the output modulation knob. This is the output knob. Okay, to get signal we can select BNC probe from the output and can set frequency from here and set function, that is sine wave. There is a function is changing by pressing the knob. Okay, frequency ranging also change. This is the function of function generator. This is CRO and in CRO there is different knob. First we going to this knob. This is intensity knob. By the change of this knob you can observe the intensity of the wave is changing. This is focusing knob. By the changing this knob, focus can be changed. Okay. Next going to the time per division knob. By changing time per division knob, the frequency scale through the x-axis is changed. There is a volt per division knob. Okay. By changing this knob, volt per division is changed. Okay, there is a 2-channel CRO, channel 1, channel 2. We connect signal in the channel 1. Okay, and we require 2 BNC probe. One is connected to function generator and other is connected in the CRO. And these two is connected is that way, positive to positive and negative to negative. Then we get the signal in the CRO scheme. Okay, there is a digital scheme in that CRO. You can observe there is a time for channel 1 and also channel 2. But volt per division value is for channel 1 and volt per division value is given here. Okay, there is a 2 knob for volt per division knob, channel 1 and for volt per division knob, channel 2. If you change the volt per division knob, the value of channel 1 is changes. If you change the volt per division knob for channel 2, the value of changes. Okay, if you change the frequency knob, now the time per division value is showing there is channel 1 because signal is connected to channel 1. Okay, if you connect the signal is channel 2, then there is display for channel 2 in the time. Okay, this knob is time per division knob is common. And other 2 important knob is position. It is for we can move the signal through x-axis for channel 1 and it is common for also channel 2. And we can change the position y-axis through this knob for channel 1 and there is another set position knob. This is for channel 2. Now is time to measurement of given signal. We get signal from the function generator and can see signal in the CRO. There is a screen Okay, and there you can observe there is a scaling is done here. Okay, a square box is called big division, and each square box is divided into 5 small division through vertically through horizontally. So for one small division value is 0.2. Okay, you can write down one equation for measurement voltage. This peak to peak from here to here, this value is for this from here peak to peak value we can measure the voltage. Okay, and you can write down one equation for measuring the voltage, that is for voltage measurement number of big division plus number of small division into 0.2 within first bracket, then value of volt per division. Okay. Now considering this signal, we can set the signal through the by this position knob. Okay. With the help of this position knob and this position knob, we can set the signal is that way. Then we count the number of big division, that is the signal covered through the peak to peak value. 1, 2. 2 big division and small division we can count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a 2 big division and 4 small division. It is clear to that there is a 2 big division and small division is 4. Okay, that the extra part is covered by the other big division. Okay, that means 2 big division and 4 small division. Then we can get the value of volt per division by the this value is 1 volt. Volt per division value is 1 volt. Then we can calculate the voltage of that signal, that is 2 big division value of volt per division, value of number of big division plus number of small division, that is big division 2 plus number of small division is 4 into 0.2, because one value of one small division is 0.2. Then we can multiply the value of volt per division for channel 1. Then we get the value 2 plus 0.8 into 1, that is 2.8 volt, and this is the value of voltage of that signal. Next we going to the for measurement of frequency. Okay, for measurement of frequency of that wave by the help of CRO, the process is that set the signal is that way by the help of positioning knob. Okay, then count the small division and big division. Here we can start the counting from here to here. There is a 1 cycle. Okay, that is there is 2 big division and 2 small division. Okay, and time per division value for channel 1 is 50 microsecond. Next we going to the calculation part. Okay, in the calculation part we require frequency measurement, but we cannot get frequency directly. We need to measure the T. Okay, that is number of big division plus number of small division into 0.2 into the value of time per division. Okay, we get 2 big division plus 2 small division into 0.2 into 50 microsecond. Okay, then we get 2.4 into 50 microsecond for frequency, that is 1 by 2.4 into 50 microsecond. Then we can get the frequency that way. Okay, next we can change the signal. We return back to the function generator. There is a knob variable the frequency. You can change this knob, then the frequency of the signal is changes. Amplitude we can change by the amplitude knob. Okay, the source is changes through the function generator, but CRO is a scaling or measuring instrument. Okay, we can change the square wave. Then see the square wave in the CRO. This is the square wave. Okay, we can set through a time per division value, volt per division value, and the peak to peak value is that from here to here for voltage measurement. For time, here start 1 cycle from here. Okay. Okay, we repeat the experiment that we can set the signal through this point and can calculate the value of volt per division 1, 2 and 2 big division, and value of small division is 4. The amplitude and the frequency of the wave is same because the only function section is changed, but other knob is not changed. Okay, so that voltage of the sine wave and the square wave is same. Same way the frequency we can measure through by set through this point and set that way, and from here to here there is 1 cycle, and value of big division and small division is same like the square wave. Okay, frequency and the voltage is same, but pattern only change. When we select the function knob and set the triangle, the wave is become here. Okay, value of frequency and voltage is same. There we can set from here to here we can measure the frequency by measuring the T, and from here to here for peak to peak value we can get voltage of that signal. Okay.